In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Alan Wake 2. Check my video description for this save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the Alan Wake 2 save. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Open this remedy Alan Wake 2 random number, and this is my game progress. Before dropping the saves, back up your game progress, create a new folder, just copy and paste these files inside. Once done, choose the save file you like to use. I'm going to install this the lake house. Lake house has pod files. Choose the pods and then drop the save file inside. And now launch the game. Go to load and choose the save file. As you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.